Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of comparing numeric data. This is standard 7.12a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 32 off the Redesign Practice online STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we've got two different dot plots here, and we simply need to find the statement that is true. Open up our graph draw feature. You can actually still scroll behind there, and we're just going to compare the two and say the range, the median, the mode, or the mean is going to be greater than, less than, or equal to. All right, so let's start with our easy ones here. So range, right? So our range here, we have to scroll up and down quite a bit. So the range is the difference between the greatest and the smallest, right? So the range for this one is 5 minus 0, so just 5, okay? So the range for class M is 5 minus 0. So range is greater. Nope, it would be better if that were equal. All right, so it's not A, and this is going to scroll up and down, so I'm just going to kind of move that down. So mean, let's do mode, because that's a little bit easier. Mode is just the highest one, right? So if that's our answer, we're gonna go for that, because that's going to be less work. So the mode is just the most chosen one. So the mode equals 1. The mode equals 2. So class M is bigger. Let's see what they say. Mode class K is equal. Nope. Class K is less. Would have worked. All right, so we're not looking at A. We're not looking at D. Now we're going to get into the ones that require a little bit of thinking and calculation, right? So the mean. So what does the mean mean? Well, average. So I've got to add these up, right? So that's a whole bunch of zeros. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 3, 6, 9, 8, and 5, right? So we got to add these up. That's just a whole bunch of zeros, right? So that's going to be 17 and 17, 34. That's 39 over, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 39 over 24. There's 24 of those. Got to do the same thing down here. How many total do I have? 4, 5. Let's see, I've got, that's going to be 5. That's going to be 7, so that's 14. And that's going to be 9, 12, and 10, right? So that is going to be 19. And that's going to be a 9, so that's 28. And that's 40, that's 50. Over, let's see, how many do I have? I've got 4, I've got 5, so that's 9, 7 is 16, 19, 22, okay, still that 24, okay. So I don't really have to do the actual math here, since they at least have the same denominator. If I wanted to find the mean, I would just need to finish that division problem, but they got the same denominator, so I can compare them that way, so that's good. And it says the mean for K is equal. Nope. The mean for K is less than. 39 is less than 50. So thankfully, we don't have to calculate that anymore. So look at A, B, and D are wrong. Let's check C. Median. All right, so the median is just the middle number. So there were 24, right? So if I take 24 and a half, right, that means I'm going to have 12 on one side, the median, 12 on the other side. So I need to find where that line is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right there. So the median is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The median is 2. And what does it say? Median for K is less. Ah, that is correct. 1 is less than 2. Our answer is C.